Keeping your home spotless doesn't need to feel like an impossible task. Whether you're preparing for guests or simply want a fresh start, our comprehensive guide to deep cleaning will help transform your space into a welcoming haven. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll discover. Clear the space. Learn how a simple decluttering routine sets the stage for effective cleaning. Window and curtain care. Bring in light and brighten your home by paying attention to these often overlooked areas. Finishing touches. Add small elements that make a big difference for that final polished look. Explore the full video for more practical tips and insights to achieve a refreshed, inviting home. And if you're short on time, consider reaching out for professional help to perfect the details. The essential deep cleaning blueprint. Keeping your place clean doesn't need to feel overwhelming. Whether hosting guests or craving a refreshed environment, a well-planned deep clean rejuvenates your space. This video provides fresh, practical insights to achieve a spotless, welcoming home. Be sure to stay until the end. The part about adding finishing touches may be just what you need for your next scheduled deep cleaning. Clear the space. Decluttering lays the foundation for effective deep cleaning. Focus on one room at a time, placing items back where they belong or storing them out of sight. Assign a designated spot for commonly used belongings to create a sense of order. This preparation not only makes cleaning more efficient but also transforms your home into a more open, breathable space. Sweep away dust from top to bottom. Thorough dusting starts from the highest surfaces and works downward. Begin with light fixtures, shelves, and ceiling corners, where dust and cobwebs often accumulate. Address furniture surfaces and skirting boards to ensure every speck disappears. Use a microfiber cloth to capture dust effectively, preventing it from circulating in the air. Revive your upholstery for freshness. Upholstered furniture absorbs dust and day-to-day grime. Take the cushions off and vacuum using an upholstery attachment to access hidden dirt. If you find stubborn stains, apply an upholstery-friendly cleaner and blot gently. This deep treatment restores your furniture's look and keeps it inviting. Let the light pour in. Window and curtain care. Windows define how light and vibrant your home feels. Wash them inside and out with a glass cleaner for a streak-free shine. Freshen up curtains by vacuuming or washing them based on the fabric type. Clean blinds with a damp cloth or duster to remove any buildup. This step brightens your space and maximizes natural light. Address the hidden corners of your flooring. Floors require a deep cleanse to remove the layers of accumulated dirt. Shift lightweight furniture to vacuum or sweep the neglected corners. Follow with a mop for hardwood or tiles, using a cleaner suitable for the surface type. For carpeted areas, consider a carpet shampoo or hire a professional for a deeper result. Pay attention to gadgets and devices. Household tech such as remote controls, keyboards, and screens can gather dust and fingerprints. Gently clean them with a soft, dry cloth or an electronics-specific wipe. Regularly maintaining gadgets prevents dirt from building up and extends their lifespan. Add finishing touches. Once the primary cleaning tasks are complete, enhance the final look. Rearrange decorative pieces, plump up cushions, and add a new element, like a vase of fresh flowers. These touches create a homely, inviting atmosphere that feels complete. Explore professional help for a perfect finish. Sometimes, a professional deep clean offers the best results for those with tight schedules or demanding routines. Cleaning services tackle tricky spots and intricate details with efficiency, leaving your home spotless and saving your energy for other commitments. Why a clean home improves your well-being. A clean, decluttered home impacts more than appearances. It promotes peace of mind. Clutter disrupts focus and heightens stress levels, increasing the body's production of cortisol. A well-kept home, on the other hand, cultivates calm, boosts mood, and supports overall well-being. Your sparkling home transformation awaits. With these steps in hand, begin your journey to a cleaner, brighter home or reach out for professional assistance. A renewed home brings comfort and positivity to your daily life. What unique methods do you use for a thorough deep clean? Share your tips and experiences below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it to help others achieve their best home yet.